Good morning, family. Alright, tour's already on now. Breakfast. Big boy Vans. What are you up to?
Playing Roblox.
The Kareem, the dream, still not down. Cena's up, Moore is still up. Mum's somewhere around here. The old man got us some brekkie, so we're just about to get ready. Gonna have some breakfast, then we're gonna go to the market. I think we got a dinner on, but yeah, anyways, bring you guys along. This right here, holy, this villa's crazy, man. Very nice, very nice. But obviously later on I'll show you guys around the villa, or show you the actual thingo. But yeah, so we'll just get that done and we'll see you guys in a bit. Island boy.
Yay, here we go. Afternoon light or evening light?
It's morning.
Midnight, no. Midnight ride. The beach right there.
You can see the video. What we're missing out riding on.
Yeah, so
These are Filipino.
Alright fam, so done our little mission down at the airport for Mum, Dad and Cena. Now we're just gonna cross the road because we're at the market. Eitua. We're a bit late. The lady told us market usually closes around midday, but we thought we'd still come down anyways. I'm pretty sure they're only open like on Saturdays. So yeah, if you can remember going back to our old vlogs when we were here last, it's pretty much the same. Away we go. Oh, so cute.
Baby.
Okay guys, so we're just about to leave the market. Brought Son here to have a little play, also with Vines and Kareem. How was it, sis?
I got a necklace.
Yeah, show them.
An elephant with a pearl.
With a pearl. Yes. Mum, how was it? How was your day at the market, or your little time at the market? Sorry.
Yeah, well, we woke up a bit late, but
Beautiful.
yeah, no, it's amazing actually. Nice.
Yeah. So guys, as you can see, the sun has kind of popped away for a bit and it's a bit cloudy now. I think that's typical Raroa weather. That's it. Alright fam, so tour is out. We're parked up, we've got our food. Van is really keen to get in there. We all set up, we've got our food. The old man got some fried chicken from RFC. This is Lisa, rice, some fries. And this is kebabs. Alright fam, so we finished our food. Actually, I'll show you. Got a bit of a crowd here. The boys, hey, the boys. A little bit left over. My man Vana, he's still going for it. Toa is still napping away. It's got the nice sea breeze coming through. And I thought this might be of interest to some people. I don't know, bro. All of these rocks are representing 7 wakas that went to New Zealand. If anyone knows the proper story behind it and how it actually goes, then yeah, don't be shy to type it up in the comments. But it's just crazy because I was having these conversations with some of the bros at work. It's quite crazy how I'm here, I'm seeing some of it. So yeah, so if you know more knowledge about it, type it up in the comments. Yeah, yeah, man.
By sheer coincidence.
Yeah, that's it.
That was the first one that was built.
Atiu Hostel, fam. Mum just wanted to come have a look.
Yeah, nobody.
You wanna go have a look, Mum? Let's go have a look.
Yeah, this is it. This is Atiu.
No, they asked for some Mum to go and have a look, and she's like, nah, I just want to have a look. Oh, look, the door's open.
It's door's open.
Yeah, out of the way.
Oh, got it out. Got it out. Get it out. Laughing here. Okay.
What?
Here you go, Your Highness. let me help you out, Your Highness. Okay, come on, little prince. Come on.
He's a prince.
He's a prince.
Come on, Prince
Oh, wait, that's a boy.
Alright, so yeah, we're driving home and we thought we'll just come into the Atiu Hostel, see if anyone's here, or see if Mum can have a chat to some of these people. Sorry, some of our people.
Really
Last time I came, which was 2005 or 4, they were renovating this place, so it looked nothing like this, and it looks really nice. Mum, can you just explain what the hostel is for again?
The Atiu Hostel is for all the Atiu people that travel or comes to Rarotonga. They got nowhere to stay. Yeah, they just come here. To their home. Because it's everybody, here with their families.
Okay.
All around the world. Even the little islands.
Oh no!
When they have functions, yeah, they come here. They got no families in Rarotonga, nowhere to stay. Here is the Atiu Hall. Yeah, we're truly blessed. And it was one of the first hostels to be built in Rarotonga. But the outer islands was Atiu.
Yes.
Atiu
Okay.
Tumu, Atiu Enua. Yeah, that's us.
Thank you. There it is, fam. Contact numbers. Some of the rooms, I think.
Nobody's here.
Yeah, there must be no one here.
You can't come out. What is this?
Something cool.
Many hours later.
So I'm just on my way back to the restaurant. As we're getting ready, I kind of lost the GoPro, and man, I swear, I'll tell you, like, that's why you always follow your heart, you know, you follow your gut. But anyways, long story short, seeing my sister told me where it was, I'm like, yo, went and grabbed it. It was in the van, and then on the way I was taking rubbish, and without thinking, I've chucked it in the rubbish. So then, yeah, going on about my business, getting ready, this, that, da da da. You know, I'm like, bro, I can't find it, and my heart kept telling me, check the rubbish, and then I just kind of gave up because of the time, yeah. Then jumped in a car, whatever, driving, and then Ivana got pushed in the pool by Kareem.
Oh!
And then mum's like, oh, can you check the van for towels? So I come check the van, there's nothing in here. Thinking, okay, alright, I can't just let him, you know, be all wet for dinner. So I made my way back home to get some towels for him, and just in case Kareem wants to jump in, get Ivana a change of clothes. And I'm like, you know what, maybe I should just check the rubbish again and have a proper look instead of just, you know. So I opened it, 1, 2, 3, third bin. Wow, sitting right there. Took it in, scrubbed that thing real good. But yeah, anyways, on the way back to the restaurant, it's getting a little bit dark, so I don't know if the lighting's gonna be that great, and I might end it like in there, or yeah, I don't know. But alright fam, so got a little carried away. Ikamata, Oka, or raw fish. We'll talk about the big size pups. I've got the lobster. Drawers away. Bro got the lobster. Kind of got pizza. Fish and chips. What's that?
When I make out I don't know it, I keep walking.
Hey! So I'm gonna have to take that trip. Yeah, go over the top.
Keep going.
Down Courtney Place even. Holy! Yeah, oh my gosh. Yep, we're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you all. And we'll see you on the next one.
Hold it with your hand. That's the one.